Justin Bieber. I am your one biggest fan, so if I had a concert ticket, well, at least. So my brother's recording this tape, so I am the biggest fan, and that I just want to say that you are the love of my life, and you'll always be by my side. And I got the Justin Bieber book that my friend gave me, and that I'm recording. You'll be the best boyfriend ever if I was with you. And if you say that if you want to come back with me, I will say yes, always. So that's enough for today. Bye, Justin Bieber. Love you.